Now, have you ever wondered about the battle of the titans in the realm of machine learning? Yes, we're talking about Keras and TensorFlow. Both have carved out a significant niche for themselves, but how do they fare against each other? Let's dive in and see. Keras, a high-level neural networks API, boasts of its user-friendly nature. It's designed with the idea to enable fast experimentation with deep neural networks. It provides a smooth learning curve thanks to its simple and consistent interface. It's like a friendly companion guiding you through the maze of machine learning. On the other hand, TensorFlow, Google's brainchild, is a beast when it comes to flexibility. Its low-level API allows you to have total control over your models, tweaking the minute details until you get the desired results. It's like a powerful toolset, arming you with everything you need to conquer the machine learning domain. However, when it comes to community support, both Keras and TensorFlow stand on an equal footing. They both have a large and active community contributing to their growth and development. Need help with a problem? You can bet someone somewhere has faced it before and has a solution ready. But let's not forget about performance. TensorFlow, being a low-level API, generally offers superior performance. It's like a sports car built for speed. Keras, on the other hand, is more like a comfortable sedan, reliable and easy to handle, but maybe not the fastest on the road. However, in the end, the choice between Keras and TensorFlow really depends on what you value more. If you're looking for a user-friendly interface and ease of use, Keras might be the way to go. If it's flexibility and performance you're after, TensorFlow could be your choice. In summary, we've seen how Keras shines in its simplicity and ease of use, making it a great choice for beginners and projects that require fast prototyping. TensorFlow, on the other hand, offers unparalleled flexibility and performance, making it suitable for complex models and large-scale projects. Both have strong community support, ensuring you're never alone in your machine learning journey. So whether you're a seasoned data scientist or a newbie just dipping your toes in the world of machine learning, both Keras and TensorFlow have something to offer you. Remember, the choice between Keras and TensorFlow isn't about which is better, it's about which is better for you. So go out there, experiment, learn, and most importantly, have fun with machine learning. Because after all, isn't that what it's all about?